The purpose of this video is to show you how to build a custom report using the survey layout. The survey layout consists of written statements, typically in question and answer format. This layout is best used for reports that require multiple written comments. Now let's go through the steps to build a new Flex report. This feature is only available to system administrators. From the home screen, click on the Flex Reports templates under the Report section. Click Add Template, enter template name, mark the template active, lock or unlock the template. Unlocking the template will allow users to modify reports at a specific system. Enter optional disclaimer to appear at the bottom of each report, and then select the security settings for this template. For example, if we select Service Report, only users who can create service reports will be able to create customer surveys at their customer accounts. Click Next to proceed. Choose Survey Layout, then click Next. Toggle the buttons on to show report number, drive time, or on-site time. Click Save to proceed. Now let's build the report layout. In the Flex menu, locate the template and click on Manage Layout. Click Add Category in the corner or at the bottom of the page. Enter category, then click Add. Under the category, click Add Topic. Enter topic, then click Add. Questions can be added to each topic. Click on Add Questions. Enter questions, then click Insert and repeat as necessary. If you would like to provide predefined answers, click on Add Answers and enter answer and repeat as necessary. Once you've added all your questions, click Close. Save your template before exiting the screen. Once a Flex template is created, you can activate this new report template at any location under the client. Select the customer, facility, building, and system. Under the Report section, click Set Up Report and select Flex Reports. Click on Inactive Hidden button to show all the templates available. Activate the template you would like to use. Now you are ready to create a Flex report. Under the Report section, click on Create Report and select Flex Reports. Select the Flex report you would like to use.